Hello class 12th. So this lecture video is related to the exercise solution of exercise 8.1 and as well as 8.2 of NCERT textbook, and the name of our chapter is application of integral. So in the previous two videos we have already discussed some questions related to our exercise 8.1. So in this video we will discuss about the solution of exercise, remaining question of exercise 8.1 and as well as try to solve few more questions of exercise 8.2 also. So first question I am going to take exercise 8.1 and question number 13 of exercise 8.1. So area of the region bounded by the curve y square is equal to 4x. Question number 13. Exercise 8.1. Find the area of the region bounded by the curve y square is equal to 4x and the line y equal to 3 to y equal to 3 and y axis. After getting the question of, then second, the process of the second term is to find out the required region, which area to find out. So area of the region bounded by the curve y is equal to 4x, that is y square is equal to 4x. For the positive and negative value of y, x is positive, so the parabola is in the form of this. And the line y equal to 3, that is what is this is the origin, our x axis, this is our y axis. So 1, 2 and 3. Y equal to 3 is somewhere here. Y equal to 3 and y axis. So required bounded region with this region. So if we want to find out the area of this bounded region, remember the previous process. Take a string whose width is dy, and now find the, first of all find the limit point. Within the limit we have to find out the area of this bounded region. So y equal to 0 to y equal to 3, limit point is already given. So y equal to 0 to y equal to 3 is our limit point, and sectorial area is this region, and this region is bounded by the line y equal to 3. Curve y square is equal to 4x and as well as this y axis. So required area, shaded area is equal to integration over 0 to 3 y dx, that is y equal to plus minus 2 root x dx. Since this case is lies in the first quadrant, ये केस जो है वो क्या कर रहा है, फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में लाई कर रहा है, तो हम यहाँ पे केवल इसका पॉजिटिव साइन क्या करेंगे, कंसीडर करेंगे. सो आफ्टर टेकिंग by taking only positive sign, so required area is to integration over 0 to 3 root x d. One minute. Y square is equal to 4, so this term is in the form of x. X is equal to y square by 4. So our if the strip is y, then the function are coming in the form of x is equal to x into dy, y into dx. This is the relation. If we take horizontal strip, then we take the x, function is the form of x, and if we take vertical strip, the function is the form of y. That is y square by 4 dy by taking 1 by 4 as a common, y square into g1. Now 1 by 4 by integrating this term, y by 3 or limit 0 to 3. Wait. After taking 3 common, 4 3s are 12, 3 cube minus 0, 27.12 is the right answer. So the area of this required shaded region is 27 by 12. Both the numbers are divided by 3. So after simplification we get another value. So moving towards our next question. Before this, pause the video and note this question. Now our next topic is area between two curves. Area between two curves. So let's start the new topic, area between two curves. For example, let us consider two curves. One curve is this. Let this curve is y equal to fx. Who is the origin? X-axis and y-axis. Consider another curve, y equal to gx. So we have to find out the area of this region. Within the limit x is equal to a to x is equal to b. How this case will arise? First case, this one is the y equal to fx, and another case, this curve y equal to gx. मैंने दो अलग अलग केस लिया, दो कर्व लिया, एक कैप और एक कप. कैप कर्व, कप कर्व, अब इन दोनों को मैंने क्या किया, ज्वाइन करा दिया. जो दोनों ही कर्व के द्वारा जो एरिया साइडेड है उसका मैंने एरिया फाइंड आउट करना. रिक्वायर्ड एरिया इज दिस साइडेड रीजन बाउंडेड बाय द कर्व y equal to fx and y equal to gx. So how we can find out the area of this sided region? So process is same. First of all, recognize your limit point, limit value. Within the limit we have to find out the area of this required region. So the limit is already given, x equal to a to x equal to b. So the process is to finding the required area. The required area is find out integration over a to b upper curve, and upper curve is given as y equal to fx. So fx dx minus integration over a to b gx dx. upper curve पूरे कर्व में से y इक्वल टू से ये नीचे वाला कर्व y इक्वल टू gx के नीचे ये इसको मैंने क्या करना है, सबट्रैक्ट करना है, या इंटीग्रेशन ओवर a to b fx minus gx and with respect to dx. This is the process by which we can find out the area between two curves. ठीक है, इसको देखो. अब क्या है, let's take an example to understand this concept. Find out the area bounded by the curve y square is equal to x and x square is equal to y. So we have two curves, y square is equal to x and x square is equal to y, and we have to find out the area of the sided region or area bounded by this curve. So first of all, try to find out the limit point of this curves. Draw the curve. For the positive and negative value of y, x is positive. This curve is y square is equal to x. And for the negative and positive value of y is positive, so this curve indicated this. So the required region is bounded region by these two curves. This O is the origin, this is your x-axis, and this is y-axis. So we have to find out this point. How we can find out this point? And this curve indicated x is equal to y. So by solving this equation, y square equal to x and x square equal to y, because both the curve intersect at a point. So this point is, by solving this, we get this point is 1 and 0. 1 and 0. How we get this curve? If we take x is equal to root y and put x equal to root y equal to this y square is equal to root y. देखिए इसकी लिमिट पॉइंट हम कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे. एक जीरो हमें मिल गया, x की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करने के आया कैसे. अगर हम बात करें ये इक्वेशन है x स्क्वायर इक्वल टू y, x स्क्वायर माइनस y इक्वल टू 0 लिख सकते हैं. Now putting the y equal to root x, अगर हम y की जगह root x पुट करते हैं, x स्क्वायर माइनस root x is equal to 0, and by taking root x as common, यहाँ पे क्या होगा x to the power 4 minus 1 equal to 0. So x की दो वैल्यू मिली, x 0 and x is equal to 1. By getting x is equal to 1, this point is 1. So limit point is required sided region. Required sided region, integration over a to b, 0 to 1, and upper limit is y square is equal to, that is root x, minus lower curve, that is x square is equal to y. So x square and dx. And by solving, by getting the limit point, we get the required region, required area of this sided region. So move to our next exercise, that is 8.2. and try to solve some question on the basis of this concept, how we can find out the area between two curves bounded by two curves. So first question of exercise 8.2 is find the area of the circle 4x square plus 4y square. Question number first. Find the area. Find the area of the circle 4x square plus 4y square is equal to 9. 4y square is equal to 9, which is interior to the, which is interior to the parabola y square is equal to 4x. Y square is equal to x square is equal to 4y. Sorry, x square is equal to 4y. So first of all, try to find out the shaded region by this circle and this parabola. So solution: the equation of circle x 4x square plus 4y square is equal to 9. So we know that the standard equation of the circle is x square plus y square is equal to a square. So by making the coefficient of x and y equal to 1, we can get our new equation of circle x square plus y square equal to 9 by 4, or x square plus y square is equal to plus minus 3 by 2 square. Now draw the required circle. This is the origin, and radius of the circle is 3 by 2 and 0. And another curve is given that in the form of parabola. So x square is equal to 4y. For the negative and positive value of x, y is positive. So this parabola is in the form of this. So the required shaded region which is interior to the parabola and circle is this part. And we have to find out this shaded region. We have to find out the area of the shaded region. So first of all, to find out the limit at which both the curve cut each other. This is your y-axis and this is your x-axis. So find out this point and this point. So by getting the limit point, solve the equation 1 and 2. Now put 4y at the place of x square. Put this value x square equal to 4y at the place of x square in the equation of circle. 4y plus y square is equal to 9 by 4, or y square plus 4y minus 9 by 4 equal to 0. This is a form of a quadratic equation, and by solving this equation we get y equal to, after solving, y equal to 1 by 2. Now put this value y equal to 1 by 2 in equation 1. X square plus 1 by 2 square is equal to 9 by 4. That is x square is equal to 9 by 4 minus 1 by 4. X square is equal to 9 minus 1, 8 by 4, that is 2, and x is equal to plus minus root 2. So the limit value is minus root 2 and plus root 2. By solving these equations, equation of circle x is 4x square plus 4y equal to 9 and x square is equal to 4y, we get the value of y, and by putting the value of this y in equation 1, we get x is equal to plus minus root 2. So one value is minus root 2 and second value is plus root 2. Now move forward. Now the area of this region, according to our process, upper curve minus lower curve. So upper curve is in the form of circle. Upper curve is in the form of circle. So convert the circle is in the form of y. So equation of curve circle, और ये होगा आपका y equal to under root 9 by 4 minus x square. One curve, upper curve is y equal to under root 9 by 4 x square, and the second curve is x is equal to 4y, या y equal to x square by 4. Y equal to x square by 4. So the required region, how we can find out the required region? By this process, integration over. If we find out this one point, this one region, and by getting 2 time we get the whole region. अगर मैं एक पार्ट का सॉल्व कर लूँ और उसका 2 टाइम कर लूँ तो ये पूरा साइड डिवीजन निकल जाएगा, तो 2 टाइम ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन ओवर 0 to 2 upper curve, that is the form of circle, under root 9/4 y square minus lower curve, that is the form of parabola x square by 4 with respect to dx, integration over 0 to root 2 and 2 time. And by solving this condition, this is the form of a square minus x square, put 9/3/2 square minus y square. So applying the formula of a square minus x square, and this is the simple integration, and after putting the value of limit, we get the numerical value or the value of this required division. So in this lecture video, only one question of exercise 8.2 is solved. So next video will related to the remaining solution of the remaining portion of exercise 8.2. So thank you very much.